name's Lamona, and I'm going to be showing the school because oliviaD isn't here right now, but yeah. Anyways, our school is supposed to hold 240 students from grade 7 to 8. So our school isn't as big as ours, therefore it only has 2 floors, which you can kind of not really see. There is a totem pole to represent the fact that we're most likely on a First Nation territory, and yeah, to thank the Aboriginals. Here's a parking lot, mostly the teachers, custodians, anybody who works here mostly gonna be here because obviously the kids aren't gonna be driving. This is a basketball court, and there's also a field over there where kids can play soccer or do whatever they want because we prefer they got a lot more fresh air. There is there's like a few trees, but if I guess I can show you on the map, but our school is surrounded by forests, so there's also a lot of space for kids to go around. This is a stained glass window. Usually the library would be underneath, except we didn't really construct the inside of the school. Here is a sphere, and there's an earth, and that is a cone because why not? This is a zip line, so because maybe kids want to go on a zip line. That's just to represent where north is. They're right now pointing towards us. Yeah, there are a bunch of trees. There's some bright colored doors, and yeah, that is our school. Thank you. So this is where our school is. Hello, welcome to our architecture project. So here we are. These are the calculations that we need. So there's the budget for construction, which is $25 per square meter of surface. So the roof was 1,318.2 meters and meters square, and the perimeter, because ours is a weird shape. So after a bunch of math, we had it to $5,561,008. $561,008. The stupid mistake was because I did centimeters and meters and I mixed them up anyways. And yeah, most of it's in French, sorry about that. Anyways, the heating cost for a year was $1.50 for each cubic meter. So after we calculated the inside, in the end it's $49,353.41. Woo, that's a lot. Anyways, our school is actually really close to the ferry. Honestly, this isn't really needed, but it was part of the criteria. Anyways, in the end, at the end of the year, for everybody in total, it would cost $216,160 for everybody, because it's 30 cents per kilometer per person. Anyways, the cost for gasoline is kind of not needed, but it's a thing. So, this is the amount of fuel you need for a school bus, etc. A bunch of math. Honestly, it doesn't matter, but in the end, this wasn't really neat, but in the end, it would be $817.95 each year. Cheap. Anyways, at the end, this is all of our, gas cost was all from the internet, so sorry, because we don't drive. Anyway, so the first year, we have the cost of construction, the transport cost, and the heating cost put together, which would be $7,826,521.41. And other years, since we won't have to rebuild school each year, it's $2,265,513.41. This down below is our justification. This is basically explaining why we chose a certain format. So here we're basically saying we chose it because it looks modern and has a nice appearance, and nice appearances pull people in. Our location is really close to the ferry, so as close as our school is as JQ is to Queen Mary, so it's close enough to walk. Actually closer a bit. Our school is situated in the middle of a forest, so there are quite a few trees. There's also a basketball court and lots of grass on the field, so kids can have a lot of exercise, and that's basically our project.